IBL-PAN, that is Institute of Literary Research of the Polish Academy of Sciences, is a leading Polish institution in the field of literary and cultural studies. We run several long-term documentation projects like bibliographies, biographies, lexicons, or critical editions. We also have several scientific journals and a publishing house. Hence, our interest in cooperation with OPERAS lies in the wish to make all those outputs openly accessible and available to international audiences. The Digital Humanities Center at the Institute is responsible for cooperation with OPERAS. OPERAS Lab is the innovation laboratory of OPERAS. Its main task is to conduct user research in order to define the actual needs of scholarly community with regards to scholarly communication. Basing on the findings of those studies, we wish to prepare and perhaps prototype new services that would respond to the needs of the community. For instance, scholars tend to wish to have better means of connecting data and texts. So we may wish to explore the ideas of extended monographs or computational monographs. Another example are digital scholarly editions with many different features expected to be implemented by users. Thanks to OPERAS, we may put all those prototypes into a larger environment of interconnected services to better serve the scholarly community. IBL-PAN is leading the OPERAS Lab.
So it goes without saying that we're very excited about the OPERAS Lab, and it still has this novelty feel to it. But at the same time, I think it's important to mention that the ideas within the OPERAS Lab have already taken concrete shape. And that was done in the context of the OPERAS B project, where IBL-PAN led a work package innovation that was focused on the future of scholarly communication in the social sciences and humanities. And each of the tasks within this work package was led by a different partner. And the areas of interest included innovative governance models for the social sciences and humanities, business models for open access books, multilingualism and bibliodiversity for the SSH, FAIRification of data, so the challenges and opportunities of making SSH data fair, future of scholarly writing, and the sixth one, quality assessment of innovative research, of the innovative publication forms as well. And what our findings allowed us to do was not just to present specific results, concrete results to the wider audience about the situation of the scholarly communication in the social sciences and humanities, but also to prepare a set of recommendations, specific guidelines directed not just at the OPERAS infrastructure, but also at wider range of stakeholders that included scholars, publishers, policymakers and funders, librarians, and some other groups that are involved in the scholarly communication process.